Good morning. My name is Swapnil Tambone. I am a student of Middlesex University, London, and today we are going to have a small presentation on an e-commerce portal called flowersandleaves.com, which is going to be created by a company called Arisa Infomedia Limited. I am one of the board members and founder of this company. Mission statement for this venture is to capture large market share by providing customized solution to the people who are looking forward for such solutions in this today's busy and very dynamic business world. The team here includes me as a founder. I have a vast 11 years of experience in media and ITES and software technology. Now, after more than 11 years of experience and an MBA degree, I would like to get into this venture called flowersandleaves.com. Mr. Anand Gowda is another team member who is going to be helping us in technical aspects of the business. Along with this, Flowers and Leaves are going to recruit some people in terms of they will do contractual activity for us, and we will be training them for florals and other operational activities. The market summary of this market is the size of the industry is approximately $250 million, steady growth of 5% per year in India. Large unorganized sector is identified for this particular sector. Setup of Fractal Region Center in 9 cities by government to support industry. Attracted big corporate houses like Reliance, ITC and Bharti. Indian economic industry is the growth of 40% every year of online retail business. Online shopping users increased from 15% to 38% by the year till the year 2013. The opportunity here is huge because there are no national brands who are established so far in India. The lack of optimization of supply chain management. Large number of festivals throughout the year results in bulk sale. Significant rise in spending on flower bouquet is from 8% in 2009 to 32% in 2013. The average purchasing per household increased to rupees 1,500. Companies yet to gain customers' trust on payment authentications. These are the factors why it was so. Why I have chosen this industry, because there are a lot of opportunities to get into the market, to penetrate the market, at the same time to create a niche by giving optimum customized customer services. Now, considering the factors for developing an e-commerce web portal called flowersandleaves.com. Here we can see effective communication channels, prompt delivery channels, SEO and other simple promotional marketing tools. Ease and user-friendly navigation system are the very key factor for the success of such venture. Attractive web appearances is another factor where people nowadays would like to have very attractive, browse through very attractive web portals, and there are many more with those. The business concept is very simple, but when we are getting into the operational activity here, it becomes little complex. The company aims to provide the customized solution to need of prospective clients with attractive offer through digital marketing systems. Today we have come across a lot of tools for digital marketing. Company will target two segments of customers initially: affluent businessman and upper middle class segment, hotels and corporate houses, male executives and female executives, working people who are outside India, who can order to us and we will deliver locally here. The age group which we are targeting here is between 25 to 60. Married, engaged or people in long-term relationships are the key people whom we have to focus. Makes the people who are making at least 20,000 rupees per month are our another segment which we are going to be targeted. Company aims to increase market base by harnessing social media marketing and use web portal to develop loyal clients. Product positioning. For first 6 months, only bouquet with customized choices of flowers, patterns, size, etc. will be sold. After 6 months, the range of chocolates, different range of chocolates like government, mint, based and dark chocolate, soft toys, greeting cards will be introduced with brand building. Hand tied bouquets will be available on request from customers. Pricing. The bouquet price will be based on cost of the flowers, wrapping, ribbons, decorative filler material and 1 hour of assembly time will be taken. Charges for shipping will be calculated separately depending on the size of bouquet and the destination, because bigger the size, it will be needing more raw material, and if the distance is more, so the delivery cost will be increased. Marketing and sales. Company will increase their sales and build brand by networking with local business professionals, advertisements in local newspapers, advertising in yellow pages, direct mail advertising to local businesses, presentation to local business groups, use of social media marketing like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. Special attractive offers on festival occasions and days like Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, Father's Day, etc. Now we will see the services and the programs which we are going to offer for flowersandleaves.com. Tulip Loyal Program, which is going to be a loyalty program for the client to come and have repetitive orders to us. We will be having on the system so that people can save, they log in, they save the address and the names of the destination and people who they want to send the bouquet or the gifts. Frequent flyer programs. We are going to have a tie-up with airline industries, different airlines, through which those who have frequent flyer activities, so we will be having a combined efforts with the airline companies, that frequent flyer will be having given offers and discount coupons. Credit card purchase, cashback offers. Midnight delivery service is another services which has not been in India so far very effective. Fixed date delivery service. Register your important date service. Coming to the business operations, we can first discuss about the order placements. Company will develop the web portal consisting the card software, which will include the following features. The software will handle task of showcasing basket products and tracking orders online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Customer address book. Customers can save the names and addresses of recipients. Real-time credit card processing. Gift certificate codes. The payment options. Online payment methods. What we are tied up with so far is CCAvenue is one of the avenue which we are going to use for payment gateways. PayPal, of course, we are going to be using. Apart from this, online net banking is another effective way of payment option. This is an advantage both for the company as well as the customer to have a safe and secure transaction and getting the delivery. Coming to the delivery aspect, delivery of the product will be done by delivery person hired with the help of local agencies. Temporary employees will be hired on the occasion of festivals and special days. Now coming to the competition. The competition for flowers and leaves is basically one of the major player, which is known as Ferns and Petals. They also have a portal called fnp.com. They have established in 1994 wide network, revenue generation of around 145 crores in 2012. Other competitions are Floral India and Floral Delivery India. Competitive edge we have here is brand positioning as high quality bouquet in several price range, timely delivery, the quality of products will be maintained, tie up directly with flower farm owner so that the heavy discount can be provided to the customer on special occasions as compared to the competition. Basket could be created with green products with an eye towards sustainability and the strength of the product. Research methodology used here, what we have done is for the primary quantitative data collection and secondary qualitative data collection has been used. Non-probability sampling method has been used. Primary data collection is done through one-to-one interview based on the questions from the developed questionnaire, which involves a series of questions with few options to be chosen from. 25 people between age of 18 to 45 had been interviewed. The limitations of this research were research is done in single location based, hence not providing broad generic approach. The size of the data can be considered as the limitation of findings and research. The findings here are 80% of the respondents stated that they had been shopping online more than one occasion. 32% of the respondents stated that they have recommended or adhesive with their friends, advised their friends for product online which they have bought. 75% of the respondents shop occasionally. The amount of money usually spent by online shoppers are usually less than 3,000 rupees. Most of them preferred buying gifts, flowers, clothes, accessories, books, CDs as compared to the electronic products when required experience in terms of quality, visibility and other factors. Conclusion and action plans. Validation of credit cards used is a major challenge. The plan as of now is to use third-party proprietary software to implement validation check. The major competitor has already an established business, hence business strategies need to be developed with extreme care to face the competition. According to the Forbes India, which published an article on Ferns and Petals, they have said that similar attempt had been made in India to be part of 2,500 crore flower businesses, but very few have managed to success. Gaining customer trust on payment authentication. Control over the supply of fresh flowers and timely delivery is the big challenge. Price fluctuation of the flowers is huge in India because of the different ranges and different kind of festivals India has, and the festivals are in every single month of the year. Thank you. I would like to thank you to all my staff members and especially my supervisors, Dr. Vinaya Shukla, for supporting me in this cause. And I am sure that I am going to launch this product, this web portal in a month's time, and I would be needing all your blessings for the same. Thank you so much. Thank you.